Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to mute your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so it is very simple, guys. You can see here, this is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just pull down the notification panel, then you can see the sound bar, and there is a symbol that means it is on the general mode or the ringing mode. Okay, and you can tap once, then it will be go to this mode. That means your phone now in the vibration mode, so there is no sound with vibration. And if you need to mute your phone, you can simply tap again, then it will be turn off the vibration, turn off the sound, totally mute. So in this way you can easily mute your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.